Good morning, viewers. I am back with a video. Here I am showing you my project 1, which was given to me by Harvard University, which is throwing out various free courses, online courses. These are the lists. I will throw you the link in the description box of these all the courses and its links. Let's talk about what my project is. It is a project where I have to work on the Flask app to search books. I have to create a PostgreSQL file, which is a database, and there I have to put my all the books and its what we say different files and what all I need. I have to use Flask, Python, and Goodreads API where all the data about the books are given. So here I was asked to submit it to this website and to submit a video of 1 to 5 minutes. So that I am doing. Now let me run the program, where I will say Flask run, and now we see there was a problem. Okay, let's set the Flask app first. Flask app equals to application.py. Yeah. Now it will work. Let's run Flask run, and here it is running. Now let me run the code. Here I copy, here I go back to my Chrome, and I get to the site. Here I will see the login page. First I need to log in. I will log in with, I guess, this one, and I don't remember the password actually. Let me think. The password was, yes, I got the password right. Let's wait if it is working or not. And no, it was wrong. The password was wrong. So here I showed you that if the password is wrong, it will give the correct thing. Now let's see which one I have to log into. I will log into this one, and here I know the password, which is obviously correct. So that was a way to show you that if we enter the wrong password, we get the wrong thing. We get the wrong credentials outbreak. Okay. So as I log in, there is a lot of wait time because it is a slow app. It is a Flask app, and here I am on my page. See, we have all the book, a few of our selections. If I click on any of the books, we will be led to the page where there are all the information about the book here and the reviews, and we can submit our review here. Let me submit super book must read, and let me rate it 4 star, and I submit it. And as soon as I submit it, it's giving me a wait time, and now we can see the review is here. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. Yeah, we are back to the home page. Here if I search for something, let me search for Virginia. We all know Virginia Woolf, a great actor, a great writer, I'm sorry. So as I search for Virginia, let's see what all books of Virginia Woolf are there in my database. And this database was created by using Heroku. It is a very great site. Yeah, so here I see there is no book with ISBN similar to Virginia, no book with titles similar to Virginia, but yeah, there are the author Virginia Woolf, and here we have 4 by Virginia Woolf and 1 by Virginia Lee Burton. Yeah, so if I click into one of those, it will take me to the same place, like I took that one. Now to the Lighthouse. Yeah, here to the Lighthouse is the book. Now let me get the ISBN code here, and if I visit the API site now, let me visit the API site. API. Let's see what happens now. That's the last part of my video. Yeah, as I see the API site, I have author, average rating, ISBN, title, and everything about the book as in the form of an API as JSON rating. So that's all for my video. Thank you. And this is submitted by me. And if I want to show you, I can show that I have already been graded with the first project of mine. See, one of my project is completed here, project complete, and second I have submitted. Thank you.